Hello, 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 hello. I'm Wooly the Crazy License Plate Guy, and this mystery plate package, 292. I'm doing a little filming marathon right now, so we'll see how many we can film. What we got in here, it's super light like yesterday. Yesterday was light too. A flat plate. You guys enjoying the show? You wanna know what's in here? Huh? Where are you watching from? Facebook? Insta? YouTube? Anywhere? Everywhere? All over? Every single one? Well, you should go to YouTube now, Wooly the Crazy License Plate Guy. If you want to know more about this Indiana 2018 plate with a little covered bridge on it. 812 TJO. It's almost a tongue twister. I don't know much about it. Do you know anything about it? Indiana, super flat, aluminum. I think it might be their current issue plate. It's made from recycled material. Look at recycled. I don't know. What do you guys think? You like that one? It's pretty cool. It's got a $30 sticker on it. There's no way I paid $30 for that, I'll tell you. Who puts stickers on plates? Oh, this come out of Craig's bin. I know where this come from. Flea market find. Butthole store. Anyways, go check out YouTube, Wooly the Crazy License Plate Guy, and we'll tell you more about Indiana. Woo! Okay. You made it to special features. Mystery plate package. 292. Indiana. Covered bridge. It's pretty cool. Apparently they got lots of covered bridges in Indiana. I found a few pictures like that one. Or that one. There's probably another one too we'll look at. That's what those guys died in the movie Beetlejuice. And then Beetlejuice come to get them. They crashed through a covered bridge. I never seen one before in my life. Never driven through one, never seen one, never been there. So maybe I need to go to Indiana and check out a covered bridge. It's a neat little plate. I think it's like their current issue license plate now. Their last one kind of looked like that with the stars and stripes on there. So, I don't know. What do you think? I thought it was pretty awesome. Covered bridges, flat. Like there's that. Kind of sucks, but I like that bridge. I want to go drive through one. Maybe I'll build one. I'll make a moat around my property, and we'll put a covered bridge like that to get in. Maybe someday if enough of you subscribe to my videos. So hit that subscribe button. I'll build a covered bridge. Have an awesome day, awesome week, awesome year. Find some cool stuff. Get into trouble. Go on an adventure. Go check out a covered bridge. Let me know if you've ever driven through one. Drop a comment now. But do whatever you want. It's your life. Make your own decisions. But subscribe so we can build a covered bridge someday. Kind of cool. I don't know, don't you think? Indiana. The covered bridge. Okay, I'm out of here. Have an awesome day, everybody.